is going on. As you can see over here, people are working on the wicker basket. This is a unit which will have accommodated wall units, and this is a dado tile space which we have used in curves, as well as on the counter we have used the same pattern to accommodate the different concept. Then this is a double bowl sink unit we have accommodated over here with a double door sink, and we have accommodated under sink RO as well. This is a dishwasher which we have accommodated. So basically when we use the dishwasher, we create a different height for the platform itself. Then coming over here, this is a crockery unit we're going to plan here. And this is 4-burner hob unit from the fiber brand, and there's a 600 mm chimney unit, and this is a toilet we are going to came across with built-in microwave and oven space over there. And this we have created a space for the double door fridge as well. And this we are going to cover with the rolling shutter space right now. That's the undergoing process in the state. And there's a pantry unit which will have the fitting in this. And there's a unit which we are going to use as a covering crockery unit kind of a finish. And this whole material is going to be used from HHMR, and the fabric laminate in the carpet finish we are using. This is all the base units, and this ongoing cabinets we are working on. And half of the kitchen is being made in the factory itself, and after 15 days you can probably come across to us and have a complete look to the kitchen and to the other part of the house as well. Thank you so much.